Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now I'm going to fix this lightsaber because I screwed up the electronics on it. Now I just hope this is going to go okay. So they did use a longer core. Since this yeah, she uses all the same parts and stuff. I don't should have it in the same positions too, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's the same type of core. It's a really long screw. There we go. This one's not as long. This was an expensive lightsaber. Oh, there's a second one. So, yeah, this one also has it on the bottom. Oh, right. I gotta take these. These are on the sides. These also hold it in place. There we go. So that's that core. Now, as you can see, there is a length difference. It should sit in the same position, but the blade will just sit further into the lightsaber from the looks of things. This is a fairly simple job. I had to get a core that was just the button. And the USB-C port sticks out there, which is perfect, so I have access to that. I don't want to turn it on right now. Yeah, as I mentioned in another video, I used a fast charging battery bank on it to try and charge it. I thought it would self-regulate, but no, it didn't, and it messed up the electronics. It fried it internally, and there was a warning when I got the saber not to pump too much power through it to charge it. But of course, that's the one thing I actually do. Okay, wasn't screwing in properly. That's a very deep socket. I don't think my blade plug's gonna fit in there anymore. No. The blade plug here used to sit right at the top. Let me try something here. I do have my other blade plug that I got that is a little bit deeper. My one with the crystal in it. Maybe this one will sit better. A little bit better. If I just push it out to the edge. Bear with me here. I won't be able to use it as an actual NeoPixel blade plug, but if I have it set flush, it'll just sit right there. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on. So headphone warning, once I'm done with it, I'll give a thumbs up at the end. But yeah.
Power on.
Oh, it still works. Now say power off.
Power off.
So yeah, I was not expecting that the blade plug would still work in with how far up it is, but it still will connect. Okay. Still showed the lights. That's awesome. I'm probably just going to keep this battery and the micro SD card. Actually, will this core fit in here? No, I have to pull up the insert. This will fit over top there. Alright, well, I will keep that. Alright, well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this repair video of me replacing my core in this lightsaber. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do with the gold one, or if I'm just going to order just a whole nother lightsaber for that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.